guys, welcome back to Korean Co. So please subscribe. So I have a race set up with my toy cars, and I'm just wondering if you want to watch it. So yeah, just fixing the screen so it gets a good look at the car. So that huge car pack is the cars. So yeah. So yeah, we're starting.
No. Let's try something else. Bonjour. No. One adult and one child. And that is why we'll be dining here
This is the breakfast now. Whatever. But the music courses. Now.
the Silent Optics kit. Each
So that was waste. So now we're gonna so this guy, which one? First is gonna be in the middle. Second is gonna be by by the side. The third is gonna be on the other side of the purple. So third, first, second. Wait a minute. Yeah, I forgot. And this is fourth. So third, first, second, fourth. So yeah, that's the way. So bye.